get 65 on 10?
Yep. To merge onto I-205 North.
Holy shit. Damn. Got some light. Oh shit. Damn. The note said to send a small tech. I can see why. I'm like 7 foot, 227,000 pounds. Sometimes I look at these units and I'm like, how did you even install this in here? I usually always take a Delta when I first start up the system. It's just easier to have it running at first. Okay. It's just starting up. Damn. Fuck. Left my probe in there. I gotta go back in. Send them an estimate for a duct cleaning and we'll see if they take it. Going to my last job, and then after this job I don't have one more, but I left one of my probes at a lady's house, so I'm gonna go grab it real quick, and after that, home sweet home.
Sign, turn right. .8. Shut off how it works. It's kind of weird because like I usually don't get customers who want to watch what I do, but like literally every customer today wanted to watch and check up on me, and yesterday was like the same thing, and I wasn't able to get a lot of footage. Custom credits, damn, I made it through the city. Don't remember how it ended, huh? Ain't that a pity? So no video tomorrow because it's New Year's, and it's also my daughter's birthday, so I'm just gonna be spending time with my little girl, my wife, and my fam. So I'm thinking about starting a new thing where at the end of the video I like read something from my HVAC book, and you know, that way we work on like active recall, trying to retain that information, and for those of you watching or listening can I don't know, learn something new, or you know, get a refresher on things. So comment below if you think that's a good idea. Yeah, let me know. All right, y'all, I'm about to be home, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all on Thursday. Peace out.